During the challenge, participants need to use iNaturalist to share records of wild species. Open iNaturalist on your mobile device. Log into your account. Tap Observe at the bottom. Select the second option to use the camera function. Point the camera at the species and take a photo. Ensure the photo is clear and the species is identifiable. Then tap Use Photo at the bottom right. Select What did you see to view system-generated species suggestions. iNaturalist will provide suggestions based on the species appearance and nearby records. Next, please select the most similar species option. If the system does not suggest a similar species, please retake a photo of the species you recorded. Confirm that details such as date, location, geographic information, and captive/cultivated status are correctly filled in. Tap Share to successfully add the observation record. Select your newly added species record to check your record. There are 3 tabs: Information, Comments, and Favorites. The Information page displays the record's location, data quality, and whether it has reached research grade. Additionally, the platform below will also prompt users about which criteria are missing for the record to reach research grade. Since research grade is very important in this competition, the next chapter of this video will provide a detailed explanation of what research grade is. We can use the Edit function in the upper right corner to update the record. By clicking the Edit function, we will be directed to the detailed information page of the record, where we can update the species information. After completing the update, click Done in the upper right corner to return to the information page. The Comments section allows you to see species suggestions from other users. The Favorites tab contains the species records you have saved. Research grade means that the record is valid data. But what qualifies as valid data? Next, we will explain how to make a record reach research grade. When adding a new species, please ensure that the date, location, geographic information, and captivities, cultivation, non-wild species options are correct before selecting the option to share the species record. When identifying species, the biological classification hierarchy is kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Since the genus level cannot qualify for research grade, please refer to the system's suggested options and select the level of species classification, which is the species level. To achieve research grade, a record must receive identification support from at least 2 users on the platform. Each biological record verified by other users on the platform indicates a certain level of accuracy in the recorded biological data and species identification. You can search for other users' species records via the app or website and contribute by confirming identifications. Using the app to review other records, open the Explore page at the bottom. Select the third list function at the top, click the magnifying glass in the upper left corner, and enter the username of another iNaturalist user. Then, select Find People Named Username, and the system will display that user species list. Next, select any species from the list without the research grade tag. In the information page, you will see that the record has not yet achieved research grade. For this record, the reason it has not yet reached research grade is that it needs more IDs from the INA community to be considered for research grade. This means the record still lacks identification support from more users, and the Comments section can see suggestions from other users. Upon agreeing with a species suggestion or after submitting other opinions and clicking Agree, the record is finalized, indicating that 2 or more users have confirmed the species identification. Then click the information page. The species record will be marked as research grade, making it valid for the competition. For more information on the related matters, please download the competition regulations, which can be found on the competition's event website. Competition period on April 25th to 28th, 2025. Ensure that you go outdoors on at least one of these days to conduct a biodiversity survey and upload your photos to iNaturalist. Now, let's go out and participate in the 2025 Macao Biodiversity Data Science Challenge.